two passengers who were aboard the Diamond Princess cruise ship in Japan have died of COVID-19, who were in their 80s. And they were among the nearly 3,700 people on the ship quarantined at Yokohama port near Tokyo. Over 600 people have tested positive, and the Japanese Health Ministry says two more officials who were working on board during the quarantine have tested positive. The outbreak makes Japan the country with the largest number of confirmed cases outside China. Passengers are continuing to disembark. Earlier, I spoke with Sarah Arana, an American citizen who was evacuated back to the U.S. I started by asking how she got back.
I traveled back with the U.S. We were evacuated and it was all under quarantine. We were brought directly back to an Air Force base. I'm at Travis in California, and I'm currently under another 14-day quarantine here on the base.
Do you feel safe now at home?
I do. I feel much safer, and I also feel that I'm in a quarantine that is going to be effective.
Right, and tell us your experience on board, painful it may be. Tell us your feelings then, and as well as how you were treated there.
Well, we weren't treated poorly. I had a lot of concerns about whether or not the quarantine was being effective, because every day we were hearing higher and higher numbers of people testing positive. And there was things happening like crew bringing food to our rooms, our cabins, and us opening the door. And then later we found out that some of the crew tested positive. So, you know, that in that respect, I didn't feel that the quarantine was working.